Hey there, my name is Chelsea Herndon-Hands, and I'm the Human Body Systems teacher for Metro Tech's Biomedical Science Academy. But around here, we like to call it Biomed. Biomed is perfect for high school sophomores, juniors, and seniors who are ready to take their love for science and biology to the next level. Our students get hands-on experience through projects and labs, learning everything from forensics, microbiology, and anatomy and physiology, to how diseases work and how medicine helps us fight them, using real tools and real data, just like real scientists. Biomed also helps students build a strong foundation in math and science, preparing them for success in college or at a university.
I enrolled in the Biomed program because I have a strong passion for healthcare. This program has helped me not only learn, but also help me grow as to become a leader in the global health community.
So if you love critical thinking, hands-on learning, and exploring how science can change lives, you'll fit right in. Apply today at metrotech.edu/apply.